a one-day show, one destination, 20 brands under one roof. Visit us at Travelers Home today from 11 to 7 p.m.
So this is brand Amaya and what's the name?
My name is Bhargavi. This is my brand, and these are the outfits.
So if you want something in bandage or something like this,
in silk, mushroom silk.
yes.
Then with a thread embroidery. These are the blouses.
Yes.
We have all different colors and different varieties of stuff.
Thank you, ma'am. So moving to another brand, chimney પાસે તમને jewelry નો pretty collection મળવાનું છે. Hello.
Hi, we're EVN Jewelry and we have a collection of oxidized silver jewelry, and we have two-tone silver jewelry perfect for all your celebrations from Diwali, Navratri to your destination weddings and pujas and everything else. So come check us out, please.
Thank you. Moving to another brand.
Hi, I'm Dipshisha. My brand name is Nine Stitches. So we have many colors in the same design. So this time we have a mustard lime with colorful border and flower embroidery. Here we have something in Banarasi touch. So you can wear this blouse with sari as well as with chania choli. We have many color option in dupattas. Also we do take customization order. So yeah, come meet us today at Travelers Home. Hi. So we have different designs.
And this is brand Mini Malhotras.
We also have elegant sets like this.
Something like this for Navratri.
Especially for Navratri. For the Gandhi lovers, we have something like this in the one collection.
Yes.
We also have such semi-Banarasi chani.
So this is brand Anana, where you will get all the pretty Afghani jewelry collection. You can check this out if you want something in fusion. We have a very nice collection of long neck piece as well as chokers if you want for your gala. We do have Hasli collection as well. You can also check this out. They have got very nice and statement pieces for the kadas. And if you want some nice rings, then again they have very pretty collection. We do have so much into the Kashmiri jewelry as well. You can check this out, the statement earring pieces.
This is Paranchi Batik design, and we have all Gurji chaniyas like this. The 16 meters plus flare. We have different shades. We have whites, ivory. We have vintage dupattas. We have bandhani, and we have Ajrataji blouses also.
And they do have this kind of vintage dupatta. All the sets you will get here. Moving to another brand.
Hello everyone, this is Kanopia, and we have 40-meter mal chaniyas with koda dupattas, and we have so many color options also. And we have Gampi cotton chaniya sets
Wow.
with chinon dupattas, and we have chanderi chaniyas also. Moss cotton chaniyas. You will get color options in each design.
And they do have this kind of purses and clutches as well.
Hi, my name is Drishti Bhatia and my brand name is Drishti Bhatia. So we have some menswear. You can have a look. We have colors.
Wow. Something different.
We have beautiful blouses. We have done shell work. All of this. Then all of this corsets.
Yes.
Alternate coin blouse.
And they have more options in chania if you want some prints, if you want to go with some solids. She has everything. Moving to another brand.
Hi, my name is Janisha. I'm from brand Santero. So this year we have long Banarasi.
Yes.
Yeah, some this. Raw touchy work.
Wow.
One more.
This is
Hi, this is Nirjari from brand by Nirjari, and we are into accessories, neck pieces, chokers. You can see all the hair accessories here. We have hair strings, we have this new bun, and all of these are hair accessories. And we also have chanya cholis, the way I am wearing right now. It is all applique work and pure cotton, and we have all these colors in that.
જુગી ચોકસી આજે અમે તમારા માટે નવરાત્રી કલેક્શન લઈને આવ્યા છે ક્રશ કોટન પર ચણિયા વિથ પ્રિન્ટેડ એન્ડ હેન્ડવર્ક બ્લાઉઝીસ વિથ ડેલિકેટ ઓમ્બ્રે દુપટ્ટા अलग अलग कलर ऑप्शंसમાં છે सॉलिड कलर we have a wide range of blouses.
हेलो आई एम फ्रॉम कश्ती ज्वेलरी हमारे पास है अच्छे अफगानी मिरर वर्क ब्रास ज्वेलरी ट्राइबल ज्वेलरी कानफुल कलेक्शन कश्मीरी इयरिंग कलेक्शन जो लेटेस्ट है અને આ જર્મન સિલ્વર વિથ ઝુમખાસ કલેક્શન
And they do have some very masterpieces like. So this is brand Shivangi Javeri. જેની પાસે તમને men's wear નો બહુ જ pretty collection મળવાનું છે like this in kurtas if you want some solids or you want with this kind of drapes. We have so many options, something in mirror work as well. If you want in whites, if you want in ivory. These are some smart options. They can also style in wedding as well after Navratri. So this is brand Mansi Gajjar.
I am the designer. So we have double layer chanyas with nice tissue blouse.
Yes.
We can do this in any color.
Yes.
Something what I am wearing is one of our best seller. It has nice position print with embroideries.
Yes.
We also have shaded lehengas
Wow.
in different shades. Multiple lumpa blouses.
Yes. And they do have more options over here in different colors. So this is brand Shri Silver Coronation. જેમની પાસે તમને fusion jewelry નો pretty collection મળવાનું છે. It is all 9 to 5 silver jewelry. જેમાં if you want something in dual tone તો એના options भी મળી જવાના છે. If you want something with this kind of fusion તો એના options भी છે. We have got so many options in long neck piece. And this is amazing collection of earrings. You can check this out. They are very nice and statement figured pieces. If you want with some figures and motifs, then options with them nahi mali javana chai. They have got bangles as well as some nice neck pieces. Moving to another brand.
Hi, I'm Karisha. My brand name Iraya છે. I'm presenting you some very colorful and bright chanya pieces. This is one of them.
Yes.
This is another statement piece. जो color बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes.
The prettiest color. Red and golden classic combination. And the last, the best, जो carry out.
This is brand label Abir. And what do we have in collection, ma'am?
So we have different blouses with different combinations. Like we have handwork blouses. These are the blouses. Then we have something like this, one which I wear, multicolor brocade blouses. And we have different unique colors in the chanyas. We also have badla chanyas, and something which I'm wearing. She's wearing.
So nice, so nice. Thank you, ma'am. Moving to another brand. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, as you can see that I'm wearing this green chanya choli. It's a beautiful mehndi green color, and we have a few pastel pieces also here. This is in particular nice one. Also, we have like these multicolored ones with printed kalori blouses. We have this other color also in that. And if you're looking for some whites, we have this beautiful piece here. This and this. So these are again great white ones.
So this is brand Shades of Silver, where you get all the pretty collection for Navratri. If you want this kind of Rani set, or if you want something in dual tone, that too with this kind of fusion jewelry, then an options તમને અહીંયા મળી જવાના છે. You can check this out. Every piece is something different in itself. You can check this out. They've got very nice collection of kardas. If you want for Navratri, then they have very pretty collection of rings as well. And earrings are amazing at its best. So nice. Moving to another brand. This is brand
Sihanj.
Yes, and what do we have in collection?
So we've got like your favorite black and white. So we have all the black chanyas, all like in different kinds of embroidery, a little more glam, and then we have these really standalone dupattas. They're all one of a kind. They have really pretty facing. You have your jute dupattas. Then you have your Safed collection, where you have a mix of kota dori, muslin, your pure whites, your gugrus, everything, all here.